Indoor playhouses and tents are an adorable must-have for families, but they take up a lot of space and they're even harder to set up. Hi, my name is Melissa and I'm the creator of the Swingly Doorway Playhouse, a space-saving playhouse that fits right within your doorway, transforming everyday doors into the most creative play spaces. As a mom of two, I know the feeling of having toys all over the house, so I set out to design a playhouse that was fun for kids but also functional for our living spaces. After a year of testing different concepts, getting feedback from family and kids, I was able to design a house that had illustrations that both kids and parents would love. Creativity lives at the heart of Swingly, so we collaborated with the amazing Isabel Serna from Black Lamp Studios to create a series of one-of-a-kind proprietary illustrations specially made for Swingly. Our doorway playhouses come in 4 beautifully illustrated designs that are printed on both sides so we can inspire hours of creative play. A West Coast getaway in our Malibu house, or get the yummiest taco in town from our camper food truck. Or maybe take a stroll through our farmer's market to find some delicious fruits and veggies. Or finally enjoy a peaceful stay in the boho house. The playhouses blend perfectly and beautifully within the home, and they look so cute that even you'll want to move in. Each playhouse comes with interactive features such as roll-up windows, doors, mailboxes, and much more. And each of them are designed to complement each of the playhouse designs. The playhouses are also a cinch to set up. Simply peel the adhesive backing from the hanging strip, align it to your doorway, and press the playhouse to secure it in place. The doorway playhouse is perfect for small or large places, so wherever you use it, it will never get in the way. So we can say goodbye to bulky tents and playhouses. Safety is a priority at Swingly, so all of our playhouses will be printed with non-hazardous and non-toxic inks. And of course, all of our playhouses will be tested to comply with all Consumer Product Safety Commission standards for children 3 and up. By being one of our first buyers, you'll be part of our Founders Club, giving you access to our pre-launch pricing and discounts, and also giving you exclusive access to all our behind-the-scenes happenings at Swingly. Our magical playhouses are ready to find their new homes. All we need is your help to reach our full funding goal to bring these playhouses to families everywhere. So let us open the door of creativity in your home with the new Swingly Doorway Playhouse.